I've got July empties to show you. 55 products I have to finish for the rest of this year. Here are July's. I've got two little cleansers. This one's a very tiny sample. A Bioderma Atoderm Intensive Ultra Soothing Foaming Gel. Despite, what it says, it was quite gentle, ultra soothing being the operative word. Yeah, I want a full size of this because this is a wonderful, wonderful second cleanser. Very gentle. Did not, make my face feel sore, did not, enhance the peeling, did not give me that very tight, dry feeling at all. Very nice. Will repurchase full size. This I will not be repurchasing. This was my first cleanser. Elemis Superfood Facial Wash. Elemis is a brand that there's a lot of marketing involved in Elemis. And, after seeing French pharmacy brands such as, Bioderma, quasi-pharmaceutical brands such as, Serum or Vanicream and Eucerin and La Roche-Posay and Aven and so on, I'm really mad at brands like this, where, there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of marketing, and when, you come across a French pharmacy brand and you compare and contrast, the difference is immense. So won't be repurchasing this, people. So because of acne, I have, for serum, been sticking to the Zymogen Gala Serum for pored, oily skin. All gone. Nothing there. Did I like it? It wasn't bad. Yeah, all gone. I felt that it was actually quite lipidic by itself, which is not what I wanted. But yeah, I think, it helps prevent more acne. So, yeah, will I repurchase? No, I think that the Zymogen Hortunia Cordata range is a lot nicer than the Gala range. So, yeah, buy the Hortunia Cordata if you need it for acne-prone skin, people. The next product is the SCS Pure Hyaluronic Advanced Face Serum, which was my go-to hyaluronic serum this month, not Hyaluronic. Yeah, not bad, did the job. I prefer Hyaluronic to this. Nothing, didn't blow me away. It wasn't bad, but, Hyaluronic is another level altogether. We'll stick to Hyaluronic in the future. Now we come to Bath and Body, and I actually used up the Alpha Rich Liquid Gold on my body. I'm quite reptilian now, and I feel like if you use this on your feet and then put on a very strong layer of a urea cream or, a paraffin-based cream, then you get very soft feet. The only problem is that your feet sting initially when you use this. Will I repurchase? I've got more liquid gold, more acids, all of which is going to be used on my body because my skin changed a lot post-vaccination and will not be using acid toners again, at least as far as I know. Bath and Body is next. In the Stars body cream from Bath and Body Works. It wasn't a strong smell. Warm vanilla sugar hits you socks you in the eye. This is not as strong, but it's quite pleasant, I like it. I think it was, this is an all around the year fragrance. Yeah, as you can see, it's all gone completely, every last bit of it. This is an all around the year fragrance. It isn't, I would have called this winter alone, summer alone and everything. A nice, pleasant smell that you can use all around the year. Will I repurchase? Yes, eventually. Patisserie de Bain Caramel Whip Hand Cream did not smell of caramel at all. I was expecting whipped caramel. Very, very mild cocoa is what I got. Very mild. I don't know, I like my smells to be really strong. And this didn't fit the bill. So I won't be repurchasing that. Now, hair care, I've got two products in here from Way. Both, they're the same product. Two containers, two bottles of the Way leave-in conditioner, yeah, and I use this as a styling product. I was worried it was too greasy and too heavy, but I finally learned the trick. You take the merest bit and spread it on your fingers and then run it through your hair, and then it tames the flyaways. So that way I used both these up. Will I repurchase? No, I feel this is finicky. And now my hair care, you know what I'm doing? I'm using Flaxseed Gel. I'll talk about that in another video, maybe after Advent Calendar season's over, because, that's around the corner now. Flaxseed Gel, my hair care now. And I feel it is great. I feel that my hair is less tangled. It is a lot softer. It's certainly shinier. It's a lot easier to manage. So Flaxseed Gel is where it's at for me. I use it for styling. I use it as a mask. I use it as a shampoo. So yeah, I'll talk about that in another video. So let's take account 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 products done. So 9 products means I have 46 products to finish off for the rest of this year. That means that I have, July, August, September, October, November, December, 5 months and 46 products to use up. That's approximately 9 products per month that I need to finish up. Will I get there? Stay tuned to find out. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.